What's up, YouTube and Dorky Dory fans? This is Lennon Midnight. I wanted to give you guys kind of an update to what's going on. Fortunately, things have been going, just a little slowed down due to COVID-19, but production is still going on. Things are happening. I've been working on getting a lot of new stuff out to you guys, or into molding so I can get them out to you guys. So through the month of April, a lot of you guys ordered a lot of new parts, and because of the volume of what happened in April, I'm able to jump on a lot of new projects for everyone. I put S14 parts kind of on hold until 2021 because they're very slow going, they're very slow selling, and I know this is a disappointment to some of you, but I made the decision to focus back on S13 items again. There have been a lot of holes in my product line that I've had for a couple of years now that have like really bothered me that they're not filled. So I decided to jump back on doing some S13 parts again. I've got a lot of stuff coming out over the next 3 or 4 months. Currently, the version 4 S13 side skirts are in molding. The version 4 hatch valances are in molding. The version 4 coupe valances will be going to molding very soon. I've got them right here. Ta-da! These are the version 4 coupe valances. I just need to refit them to a car because I don't like how they fit. So yeah, the version 4, all the version 4 parts will be available hopefully by the end of June. The version 5 side skirts I currently have on my car, and they look friggin' amazing, and I cannot wait to get those into molding. I think you guys are really gonna dig them. I actually went out with my dad today. I took him by my fiberglass shop and also by the new building that we're in my day job. The owner of my day job's company, he actually bought a building last October, and we moved in there, and it's turning out to be pretty interesting. But I managed to take my old man by my fiberglass shop today and kind of give him a tour of like what I do, because he's never seen any of it and he really enjoyed it, and it made me happy. So while I was there, I dropped off the wing from my hatchback, the old school long and wing, the short one, which is really hard to come by, along with the matching coupe long and wing, which I picked up, I don't know, like sometime like last summer, maybe early fall, from a fellow up in Canada. And I've also got an old school 3-piece hatch wing that I pulled out of storage, and all 3 wings are going off to molding over the next coming 2 weeks, I think. And so yeah, there's a lot of really cool stuff that I'm going to be dropping here very, very soon, and I'm so friggin' excited for everyone to see it, to finally be working on S13 parts again, because the S13 is like my thing. I absolutely adore that car. Yeah, I've been building them for 18 years, and you think I would have given up by now, but nope. Anyway, I wanted to give everybody a little update. Oh, also, while I'm thinking of it, I managed to get my hands on a very old school and very rare aero kit for the S13 hatch, along with a super, super rare front bumper for the S13 Silvia that most of you have never seen because it's that old and that rare. I'm hoping to have the rare S13 coupe front bumper available by maybe July or August. And I've also got 2 other bumpers in planning right now that I think you guys are really gonna dig. One is for the S13 hatch and the other is for the S13 coupe, but I cannot make the coupe one until I make the hatch one. It's gonna be very, very, very special once I make the coupe version. I'm so excited to like actually make a video for the progress on the coupe bumper and to debut it. I mean, you guys are gonna lose your minds when you see this. It's gonna be so amazing. I will start working on S14 parts again come probably January of 2021. I've got like a million things going on in my head, and I just wanted to give all of you an update as to what's going on, and it's really difficult to express everything without like going off on a huge tangent for each and every single project, which is about, I don't know, 17 different projects right now running through my brain that I want to have done within the next literally year and a half. But yeah, there's going to be a lot of new S13 stuff dropping within the next 3 or 4 months that I think you guys are going to absolutely love, and I'm really, really excited to present it all to you. So yeah, I don't know how to end these videos very well. This is kind of new to me, so keep building your cars, don't hit any walls, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.